in order to change the narrative, we need also to be in the decision table, to be in the House of Commons, to make our community proud. Of course, the other level of jurisdictions, municipal governments, provincial governments, and also to get involved, to be active, representative, and to be ambassadors of your community, so that your voice is heard. My name is Faisal Hassan. I am your NDP candidate for Etobicoke North.
There are many issues that affect your life as a Canadian citizen. We at TAG want you to vote in this year's 2015 election so you can make change a possibility.
The contentious issues for our community is the Bill C-51. The two major parties, the Liberal Party and the Conservative parties, have voted, and we have known many Muslims have been targeted simply because they are Muslims. And this is unacceptable. What we're going to do is we're going to repeal it, because we are law-abiding citizens. Of course, affordable childcare is another issue. Young families, they are basically per week, it costs, it's estimated to childcare per child cost is about $400. And of course, $400 a week, that is, of course, most of your salary. And that is not affordable. So what we are proposing in this election is to have $15 per child per day, so that it is affordable, accessible, and regulated jurisdictions. Our community needs a voice, a strong local voice that represents our issues.